Alright, in this video we want to talk about this armrest. So this is a real carbon fiber armrest. You can see there, real carbon fiber, very lightweight. And this is for your armrest. You place this on top just like that. And it has adhesive on the bottom. So this just gives it more of a performance look for the interior. It matches this new center console gloss that we just got. So basically you just slide this on like that. It's definitely on the harder side, but for the looks absolutely amazing with real carbon fiber. I've seen this in fake carbon fiber before. Doesn't look good at all. So make sure you get the real carbon fiber armrest cover. And it has adhesive on the back. I did put it on just so to show you how it looks like, the fit and finish. So very, very tight fit. And of course, with the adhesive, it's not going anywhere. It comes in matte as well as gloss. So the gloss one I like more because it has that three-dimensional look. It just feels a lot nicer. So something you want to consider, again, from Hand Show. If you're interested in carbon fiber pieces for your vehicle, check out link in the description. Make sure you use a promotion code. The code is megawatts. You use that at checkout and you can get up to 25% on some products. So this is at minimum 15% off. Definitely take advantage because the price is still low right now. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.